plans on filming something today. I did, but the snow seems to have changed that entirely, so we're just gonna wing it and see what happens. That's kind of the plan now. We got 5 inches of snow last night, which was very unexpected. The new plan is gonna be to do some scouting for some fishing spots in the summertime. We're going to Lake Nockamixon, and we're gonna take some of the trails deep in and see if we can find some interesting little areas where we might think fish might be hiding come time when the weather breaks. We're finally getting back into the parks area here, and the roads are actually looking pretty good. Obviously, as soon as we turn off of this into the park itself, nothing's going to be plowed, but that's fine. And here comes our turn. Gets in there so quick. Oh, wow. It's all starting to freeze. Okay, it's time to at least start getting this hike on. We got a good distance up ahead to go until we hit the actual lake. I've been to this area quite a few times. Lake Nockamixon's a place that I've fished. I haven't had amazing luck here, but there's a lot of bass. You can get some crappie, little guys, panfish, that kind of thing. But they don't trout stock this. Seems that the sun's finally making an appearance. We got our first sign to the lake, and it is a sheet of ice right now. Damn. Let's see if we can make our way over to it. Safely, of course. Big snow pile. Oh, okay, there we go. This spot might be good, but there's a lot of little reeds, so I imagine in the summertime it probably gets a little bit boggy. So it's a nice view, but I don't know how it's gonna be for fishing. All right, we've been going for a bit longer. I think we'll pull up to the second spot. I don't know if you can see it, but here I'll try and show you. There's a bridge, it's an overpass. And right below the overpass runs the lake. It actually isn't an easy spot to get out to. It's pretty dangerous if you take the other way down, because the other way down to get down here requires you to scale down some rocks, and that was not going to happen today. There was no way I was going to be scaling down rocks today. I mean, I have enough of a hike out. I wasn't going to tempt fate. Oh, the water's not frozen over here. Wow. This is in a bad spot. Well, I think this is the best we're going to find for today. This spot's pretty cool. I definitely will be coming back here in the summer. It's just extremely cold, and at the same time, the wind's picking up pretty bad, so we're going to start heading back. Not to mention that it looks like the rest of the way that way is going to be just pretty much snow, ice, and water. But this will definitely be good to come back to, especially for that second half down there that we can't get close to with a kayak maybe in the summer. And this might be really good for some rock bass and smallmouth down the line. So all in all, I think it was a bit of a success today. And that's that. It's time to start heading back. Truck's gonna be nice and warm too. Oh, I am exhausted. It was all uphill on the way back, so it caught me by surprise. But that's that. The only casualty was that I dropped my phone in the snow. Hopefully it still works. Oh. I'm going home.